Psychology of motivation and learning, as a matter of fact, is a touching subject needed in present competitive world to enhance the learning outcomes of children. The course is specially designed to develop the comprehension of the students about motivation and learning and its impact on classroom atmosphere and the holistic personality of the student. It will also help the students in addressing many issues of education, that is underachievement, student unrest, examination fear and issues related to guidance and adjustment. This course will also help the students to develop proper attitudes related to the profession of teaching and later life adjustments.